let's learn how to convert a PDF into one or multiple JPEGs for free in this simple tutorial. Start by locating Adobe's Acrobat free online converter. If you can't find the URL, simply type PDF to JPEG into Google and look for the adobe.com PDF to JPEG free online Acrobat converter. Once in the app, simply click Select Files. Locate the PDF you want to convert. So here in my images folder, I have a PDF. As you can see, if I preview it, it consists of 3 pages. So I want to separate these 3 pages into individual JPEGs. Once selected, click Open. In the box that appears, select the file type you would like. So you've got a choice of JPEG, PNG, or TIFF. So I'm going to select JPEG and then set your image quality. So I'm going to set max quality. Remember, this is going to depend on the quality of the PDF you're uploading. So if you're uploading a low quality, say for web PDF, there's only so much that the converter can do in terms of the quality of the JPEG. So just bear that in mind. Once you're happy, click Convert to JPEG. Once your file is ready, if it doesn't automatically download, simply click Download File. Once downloaded, finally locate the zip file. So mine was in my downloads and I've dragged it into my images folder. Select the zip file, double click to open it, and a folder will be created with the individual JPEGs inside, ready to use. And there you have it. It's that simple to convert a PDF into one or multiple JPEGs using Adobe's free online Acrobat converter. I really hope you found this tutorial helpful. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, keep on designing, and I will see you for the next tutorial.